And will we see you produce more films often?
पहली बात तो मैं टेलीविजन से कहीं शिफ्ट नहीं हो रही हूँ. टेलीविजन मेरा पहला प्यार, मेरा पहला पैशन है. फिल्म में आना ऑब्वियसली एक क्रिएटिवली एक स्टेप आगे होता है, तो फिल्म में आना मेरे पवन की एक बहुत बड़ी इच्छा थी. और इसके बाद जो हम सब्जेक्ट्स पे काम करें, चाहे वो पिंक हो, ऑब्वियसली वो हार्ड हिटिंग होंगे, स्टोरी बेस होंगी, और जिस तरह की पिंक है.
Amit sir, straight.
All right, we're going to take the last three questions now.
Amit sir, straight.
The last three questions.
Amit sir,
One at
straight.
a time. से यार.
अरे sir.
No, it's factual. The opening day of my film collects about 2-3 crores. It's not 40 or 50 crores. It's a fact.
Amit sir, straight here. Amit sir.
जी बताइए.
Amit sir, here, if you can hear me, straight. Here. There. Amit sir, given the sensitive nature of the subject that Pink is dealing with, the film needs to be shown in its entirety. Do you envisage any problems from the scissor-friendly CBFC?
You already have a US figure, I believe.
We already have the trailer, so I think no. I think they'll be glad to present this film for the country.
So UA certificate is what you're looking at?
Yes, I mean the trailer is what you saw. It's a UA, and that's what we want to aim for. And we are not here to sensationalize anything on the film. I never do that in all my films. Whether it's Vicky Donor, let me tell you, Vicky Donor was the most difficult film to get an UA than any other film. The kind of subject it dealt with. So we don't play with the gallery, and we don't want to titillate the audience by just doing things which are not right for the society. We never do that. In all my films, not been done. Not in this one also.
Before the next question, may I just make a small submission? I want to tell you that an actor that has been in the line for almost 45 years, what a great privilege it was for me to work with this wonderful star cast. Most of them are new faces. You perhaps have not seen them before. But I can tell you that when you see this film, you will not see me. You will only see them. It's an exceptional work that they have all done. And I say this from the bottom of my heart. I'm not being modest. I know that a lot of people call me a false modest person. But this is factual, and this is the honest truth. I have never worked with such an exceptional cast as I have in this film. And they're all so new. They're all so committed. You cannot believe the kind of performances that they have given. You cannot believe that they're actually acting. They're just so natural, so good. And it's such an inspiration for me because I learn a lot from that.
Andrea,
I have so much for all of you.
Andrea, I have a question for you.
Yes. Sir, could you please?
I would really appreciate it, if you did not ignore this starcast and spoke to them also.
Yeah. Andrea, I have
and
a
gave
question.
them a chance to speak.
Andrea, I have a question for you.
Her name is Andrea Telang.
Okay.
She's from Shillong.
Okay.
She's a musician, and it's her first film.
It wasn't something that I expected that I would ever do. I've never acted before. I sing. Yeah, but I've never acted before. It was unreal. Seeing the trailer just now, I was...
She was crying.
Andrea, also one more thing. We rarely see Northeast Indian actors in Bollywood, in Hindi cinema. Is it really difficult to break through into Hindi film industry?
I don't think it is. I think you just need to be at the right place at the right time.
But
Longer than...
We are very excited about the film after watching the trailer. But
One
we are
second,
also...
one time.
Hang on, just one second.
Hang on, sir. Just one second. We'll come to you, sir.
We are also keenly watching the Rio Olympics and excited about how India performs there. But recently, Shobha Day has come up with a very discouraging tweet. She said that our contestants are there and they are just taking selfies and coming back without any medals. So how would you react to a tweet like this?
Yeah, I think that is something that you should react to.
Really?
yeah.
All right, this is the last question. This is the last question we're going to take
I
for
think let's have one question from there also to.
Yeah, really. So, someone had a question for Angad, right there. Yes, sir. Sir.
Hello.
Sir, आप बोलिए, sir.
Just, I'm giving the mic to all the others and let them have a word, please, before you put your questions.
I'm Bishnu Bedi's son. That's always going to be with me.
Yes.
And I did play cricket for 6 years. But I was telling Mr. Bachchan the other day when he was shooting an ad. I was driving and my mom called me and she said, "Where are you going?" I said, "I'm going to meet Mr. Bachchan on his set." I said, "I have to tell you one more thing, which I've never told you ever in my life. Because when my father played cricket, तो मैं ground पर गया. और उन्होंने मुझे net practice कराई, वो मैंने की. But my childhood dream and my passion was to one day be in a film with Amitabh Bachchan. And it has been fulfilled with Dada, Shujit Da, thank you. Tony Da, well now you do. When I even went and met Tony Da, I was there with my friend Madhav, I don't know if you're here, but we had a meeting and he said, "Terko ye picture nahi milegi." My friend said that to me. He said, "They're looking for somebody which is not you. And you're too good, you're too nice, you're too kind." And as soon as I reached home, he really discouraged me. He's quite a pessimistic person over. I hope you're hearing this, Madhav. But I got a call from Rising Sun, and they said, "You're on." And the rest is history. I'm here, and I'm really glad Ronnie, Shujit Da, Tony Da, Mr. Bachchan, the girls, Tapsi, Kirti, and Andrea, and Rashul, and Tushar, and Ritesh. I would like to thank everybody from the sets to the spot boys to the lighting. Everyone, they've done a fabulous job, and we work like a family. So we'd like to stay like that.
So much already being spoken about the film. All I want to say is everyone has seen the trailer. We have done our best in every possible way, the whole team. And it's just the beginning of conversations and discussions about what the film is and about everything that the film is about. So all I want to say is that we have done our best, and let's hope and we pray that the film touches everyone's hearts throughout the world the way it's touched ours. So thank you.
बहुत मतलब
कि भारतवर्ष रेप से फ्री हो.
सुजीत सर, लास्ट
question
आपके लिए. सुजीत सर, अमित जी से एक सवाल है. सालों पहले आप दोनों ने एक फिल्म बनाई थी, शू बाइट. वो अब रिलीज नहीं, क्या उसकी टीस अभी बाकी है कि वो रिलीज नहीं हो पाई ये फिल्म?
वो जूता अभी भी काट रहा है.
सुजीत सर, आप क्या कहना चाहेंगे?
अगर कोई फिल्म रिलीज होती है तो बहुत दुख होता है. सिंपल, आई मीन यू फील रियली बैड फॉर इट, बट वी हैव मूव्ड ऑन. वी आर मेकिंग फिल्म्स. वी स्टिल ट्राइंग दैट इफ समथिंग कैन हैपन, बट आई थिंक Piku or even Pink, it's all my repay back to Mr. Bachchan that we could not do and that film could not release. So ये सारी मेरी ऋण है जो मैं उनको वापस दे रहा हूँ सब.
ऋण
8 मार्च. कौन सा फिल्म का सीक्वल?
दरअसल हम चाहेंगे कि फिल्म की रिलीज के बाद ऐसी सभा फिर से बैठे और फिर हम आपके साथ बातचीत करें. क्या मुझे लगता है कि हमें ज्यादा अवसर मिलेगा और आपके पास ज्यादा प्रश्न होंगे उस फिल्म के बारे में.